In less than a minute from now, the National Emergency Alert System test will be done. And we're going to have it for you its entirety in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It's officially 2 p.m. Here we go. At 2 in less than 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0 is now 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Here we go.
Capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instruction. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.